Hey, what's up guys? Today we'll be unboxing a new phone, Redmi Y1, and I don't know how it is. I've seen the specifications in Amazon, but yeah, and in our home we have just one mobile, Yugaadi A1, which I have unboxed in the previous video, and this is the second phone. So now we have two because my brother wants one for gaming, and that's the reason we bought this. It was some 9,000 from Amazon. You can see that here. So let's begin the unboxing. Here we go. We need to see that the sticker is not damaged, because if we want to refund or replace, they will ask the sticker. We'll have to be careful with it. I think this is the foam sheet. Oh, yeah, that's this package. I think that's the, what is that bill? Okay, nothing much. Let's keep it aside. And this is the main product, Redmi Y1. You can see the branding out here. So this is the mobile Mi Redmi Y1. You can see that. And okay, so let me read the specifications for you. 5.5-inch HD display coming with Gorilla Glass, 16MP front camera, Snapdragon Qualcomm 435 octa-core processor, 3 GB of RAM, and 32 GB internal memory with a dedicated microSD slot that is maybe expandable up to 128 GB. It supports dual SIM 4G, and yeah, it has a fingerprint sensor. Gorilla Glass, as I said, you thin, lightweight body. It weighs only 128 grams as far as I remember, and maybe that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's open that thing. So yeah, let's tear open it. Come on. Yeah, it's very soft. Okay, here we go. This is the Redmi Y1 phone. It has a premium feel, and it says made in India, but I doubt it. Yeah, it has the cameras on top here rather than the middle, and I think this is the fingerprint sensor. Even Gioni A1 had a like a circle here. I thought it was the sensor, but it was not. It was just its logo with G on it. The sensor was actually here, but I think this one has the sensor right here, because it doesn't even have a logo on that. Flash, and yeah, that's it. Both on the same side, volume and this one power button, headphone jack, and this is the infrared sensor, I think, and this is the microphone. These are the speakers, and this is the charging port. Let me open it. First boot. Yeah, it gave a vibration. By the way, let this thing set it up by its own. I'll unbox these things, and later on I'll show that things. The cable. Where is the adapter? Yeah. So yeah, that's the adapter. That's black, true black, both of these, and I think it's micro USB. Is it? Yeah. Then that's it. A pretty simple design. And this is a SIM ejector. Um, yeah, menu button, home button, USB port, back button, all of these manual cards. Let it be. Tray 1 supports nano SIM card, Tray 2 supports nano SIM card, Tray 3 supports micro SD card. Are there 3 trays? I don't think so. I can see just one here. When two SIMs are in use, one SIM will offer 4G, 3G, 2G. Other will only offer 3G or 2G. So basically that means that both the SIMs slots support 2G and 3G, but only one among them supports 4G. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, that's it. Last one. What is this thing? Warranty card, maybe, I don't know. Okay, no problem. It sets up so fast. Come on, man. No, it's not yet complete. So slow. Is that it? Okay. Let me adjust the brightness. Uh, the inbuilt MI apps. We can remove them later on. Yeah, the launcher is pretty cool. Uh, let's check the camera. Wow, that's very cool. Can you see that? Pretty cool. Okay. It supports HDR. Okay. Um, torch. Torch. Wow, that's very bright. And let's see the front camera. Doesn't this have a torch? So bad. The front camera doesn't even have a torch. But the camera quality is pretty good. That's my bro. Yeah, this is the Gioni A1 camera I just unboxed previous time. And that's me. Camera is pretty good. Zoom and other things. I think that's it. Thanks for watching again. Bye.